Welcome to the world of timeless elegance and modern comfort. Kitchen isn't just a place for cooking anymore. It's the heart of the home, a space where conversations start, memories form, and beauty meets function. In this video, we'll explore 13 luxury modern kitchen design ideas that bring together refined materials, thoughtful lighting, and seamless layouts, all while creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Whether you're building a new home or updating an old favorite, these ideas will inspire a kitchen space that feels both personal and polished. Let's step into luxury, one detail at a time. White marble sanctuary. Picture a kitchen dressed entirely in white. From the cabinets to the countertops, every surface gleams with clean elegance. The centerpiece is a large island wrapped in Calacatta marble, featuring dramatic veins that catch the light. Brushed gold handles and a sculpted faucet add a layer of subtle glam. Soft LED lights glow beneath floating shelves, giving the space a sense of calm. Black and brass sophistication. A bold kitchen tells a bold story. Here, matte black cabinets stretch from floor to ceiling. Dark quartz countertops create depth, while brushed brass hardware brings warmth and shine. The island serves as a social spot, complete with hanging lights in golden tones that add a luxurious glow above. High-gloss minimalism. Simplicity can feel deeply luxurious when done right. This kitchen features handle-free, glossy white cabinets that reflect light beautifully. A sleek induction cooktop blends into the white quartz island. Light strips under each cabinet offer gentle illumination, perfect for quiet mornings or evening ambience. Natural wood warmth. Nothing matches the richness of natural wood in a luxury kitchen. Picture walnut cabinetry with deep grain, paired with soft stone countertops. A wide window pours sunlight onto a spacious island, while matte black fixtures provide contrast. Every corner feels grounded, earthy, and inviting. Concrete and chrome contrast. This kitchen speaks to urban elegance. Concrete-style counters and backsplash give a cool, raw texture, balanced by sleek chrome fixtures. Dark cabinetry with a flat finish offers a clean look. Overhead, modern pendant lights hang like sculptures, softening the industrial tone with grace. Dual-tone elegance. A combination of soft white and deep navy creates balance in this design. Upper cabinets shine in glossy white, while the lower units bring depth in matte navy. Gold handles and a white waterfall island tie everything together. A window above the sink welcomes in daylight, keeping the room open and cheerful. All-glass upper cabinets. For those who love light and transparency, this kitchen offers glass front cabinets that showcase beautiful dinnerware. Light wood tones in the lower cabinets keep the space warm. Hidden lighting inside the glass cabinets adds a soft glow at night. A large ceramic island anchors the space and invites conversation. Urban loft style. Think brick, steel, and open space. This kitchen fits perfectly into a modern loft. Exposed brick on the backsplash gives a lived-in charm, while black steel frames outline the cabinets. A reclaimed wood island brings in character. Above, Edison bulb lighting hangs from industrial rods, adding warmth to the cool textures. Marble-wrapped kitchen. a dramatic and luxurious design where every surface, floor, walls, and countertops flows in the same marble. The result is seamless and sculptural. The refrigerator and cabinets disappear into the walls, allowing the beauty of the material to speak without interruption. Subtle gold lighting completes the look. Skyline View Kitchen. For homes with a cityscape outside, this design frames the view with elegance. Floor-to-ceiling glass windows line one side. Kitchen features gray oak cabinetry and a floating island with built-in appliances. Hanging lights echo the lines of skyscrapers outside, creating a unified experience inside and out. Matte Gray Serenity. Soft matte gray cabinets bring a sense of peace to this space. Countertops are light and creamy, keeping things open and airy. A wall-mounted oven and sleek vent hood stay tucked away, allowing the island to be the true centerpiece. Pendant lights in pale metal add shine without stealing attention. Sleek industrial fusion. Brushed stainless steel countertops meet dark-stained wood cabinetry in this industrial-inspired design. A hanging rail for kitchen tools adds function and flair. The faucet resembles those used in gourmet restaurants, while open shelving holds pottery and spice jars in easy reach. Ocean-inspired blue and white. This coastal-inspired kitchen brings peace and freshness. Glossy navy cabinets play against bright white counters. Light oak flooring echoes beach tones. Globe pendant lights float above the island like bubbles, and the whole space feels like a breath of sea air. Each of these kitchens tells a story, not just of style and taste, but of how a space can feel when every element is thoughtfully chosen. Luxury doesn't always mean more. Sometimes it means better flow, better light, better materials. Whether you're drawn to dark tones, warm woods, marble elegance, or modern glass, one of these ideas can guide your next dream kitchen. Thanks for joining me on this design journey. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more home inspiration, and let us know in the comments, which kitchen would you love to cook in? See you in the next one.